What's up, everybody? It's your boy John, Spec Demo here, doing another bike check, this time on my 2016 Yeti SB6c. This is a full carbon bike, so it has a full carbon front and rear triangle. It comes with the SRAM 11-speed GX drivetrain. I did add the E13 LG1 bash guard because I ride a little bit rougher than most. I guess that's my opinion. So I felt like I needed it. I actually crashed this bike yesterday and have some bruised ribs, hip, thumb, and popped my head, but I'm okay. Live to ride another day. Anyway, let's get back to the bike. This bike has the RockShox Reverb hydraulic dropper post. Works great, no complaints there. I'm running Troy Lee grips, which I pretty much run these pink grips on every bike I own. It's got the SRAM GX derailleur shifter and SRAM guide R brakes front and rear. DT Swiss rims have a sweet hub. And I have Specialized boom sling pedals. Now to finish off the bike review, this has a Fox Switch Infinity double barrel shock here in the middle of the pivot. It helps spread out the bike's geometry and makes it rail berms and turns better, I feel. Helps with G-outs. It's running a Fox Float X with the piggyback reservoir and Kashima coat on the rear suspension, which gives me 6 inches of travel, and a 6-inch travel Kashima coat 36mm factory fork in the front. This is a 27.5 650B bike. I have no complaints. Great ride overall. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Like and subscribe. More to come. Get out there and ride.